So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about DIXON Technologies Share. So we know that there are few updates regarding DIXON, especially related to joint venture for telecom products. So what are those particular updates? So we'll try to discuss in depth regarding that, and many people are having queries regarding why DIXON is showing correction and why it is consolidating. So there are few updates. So yesterday a data has been released by mutual funds where they have decreased stake in few companies. So in that DIXON is one of the company. So how much amount it has reduced, so we'll try to find out that as well. And definitely this particular update regarding joint ventures is definitely a positive news for DIXON Technologies, and how the share will react in the coming session. So we'll try to find out that as well, and definitely what would be the immediate targets, we'll try to find out that. So if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so before starting the video, I want to tell you that in Telegram, I'm discussing all the stocks which may give some very good returns for short term as well as long term. So I'm making a weekly basis video on multi-bagger stocks, especially that you can add to your watch list, and if you're interested, you can buy them. So all the stocks are performing very well, so definitely you can join the Telegram, and if you're already joined, definitely make sure you share with your friends as well, so that everyone makes the profit. So my intention is maximum people it should reach and they should be benefited. So never they should underestimate stock market, and they should have any negative impressions on it. So definitely share with your friends, and also if you're not joined the Telegram, do join it. Okay, so starting with the update on DIXON Technologies, so you can see almost 1 hour back an update has come regarding DIXON Technologies forming a joint venture with Bharati Enterprises for manufacturing telecom products. So we already know that in electronic goods segments, DIXON Technologies have already been performing very well, and recently when the split has happened, after that the stock has considerably shown little correction after the mutual funds have also slightly reduced the stake, but nevertheless it is fundamentally very strong stock. So due to presence in high valuation and also present in overbought region, so that's why the stock has remained in consolidation phase and little correction was seen. So what basically they'll be doing after forming a joint venture, so you can see it will undertake the manufacturing of telecom and networking products like modems, routers, set-top boxes, IoT devices for the telecom sector industry, including Airtel. So you can see clearly at the end they have given including Airtel. So this particular news is definitely positive. So that's why today slightly the stock has moved up almost 1%. So currently it is technically very neutral, so it is obeying the levels and it is currently present near a very good support. So definitely it will try to retrace. So market also is in little positive conditions, almost Nifty is in 1% positive trend. So definitely when accumulation is happening, the stock obviously will have little consolidation and slightly moderate positive to negativeness will be present, but already I told you, try to accumulate it, so in long term you may get some very good returns. Okay, so many people had queries why DIXON Technology is not going up. So why it is showing correction, why it is struck at 3,500, 3,600 rupees region. So clearly you can see mutual funds reduce stake consistently in these 64 stocks. If you want that 64 stocks, definitely mention in the comment section, so that I'll put that pic in the Telegram as well. So you can see top 5 stocks, you can see one of the stock is DIXON Technologies, and you can see on quarter basis, if you compare quarter 2 and quarter 3, so that time quarter 2 20.99% stake was present. So after that you can see it has reduced to 16%. After that you can see in quarter 4 it has gone to 14.18%. obvious, because when return is coming, definitely they will also try to book the profit, because in the current market situation, because of high volatility, so everybody will search for profit. Not only you, not only me, big financial institutions also, they try to book the profit. The same thing has happened. So is it negative for DIXON Technologies? Definitely no. Why? Because when stake is reducing, definitely it will be attractive at that particular levels, and again other mutual funds will try to buy at that particular levels. Why? Because company is fundamentally strong, so there is no major negatives, nothing. We can say financials also are decreasing, so made in India. So this particular theme is running in the coming years as well. So definitely the presence in mobile sector, electric goods, and now it is also being forming a joint venture to manufacture telecom products will further boost the financials. And definitely again, whoever are selling, they will buy at that particular low levels. So what you should do, so you should also search for the levels, basically supports, and buy at that particular levels. So what is that particular level? So we'll try to find out. So let's see on day-to-day basis how the deliveries have been taken. Okay, so if you see day-to-day wise deliverable quantity, so you can see on April 6th we have seen 43.2%, April 5th you have seen 52.5%, and April 1st obviously you have seen 55% deliveries. And you can see last 3 days we have seen a little correction in the stock. So almost we can say 5 to 6% the stock has corrected, and now it is started to retrace. Little bit retracement is seen, so news bound, and also little, as we discussed, overvaluation, as PE also was little high, so that was one of the reason why it has shown that particular correction. So we can say deliveries are pretty good and they're increasing on a regular basis. So little traded quantity is a matter, but when the stock will start rebouncing, so definitely deliveries also will be increased at that particular levels. Okay, so we're back on to the technical charts of DIXON Tech. Okay, clearly you can see currently it is trading near 3500, and when you go to the chart, clearly you can see how beautifully it is facing the resistance. So where it is facing the resistance, so 3520, so that is the major resistance. Almost the stock is trying to go above that, but it is not trying to sustain above that, but again it is coming to retrace. So definitely in the coming sessions you need to watch for this particular 3500 rupees level. So that is the top resistance, and support wise you can see 3450. So currently it is trading in a particular range. So support wise you can see 3450, and if you are doing any swing trade, so that should be your support, and immediate resistance you can see 3520. So that is the immediate resistance. So if it crosses that, definitely we will see some bullishness in the stock. So ultimately I told, so try to buy 1 share 2 share on each and every correction. So previously it has shown correction, hope you have bought that. If you are interested, only try to buy that. And definitely, since some positive news are bound to it, it should cross the resistance and it should continue that particular rally. So one support and one resistance are more than enough for it. So whenever correction is happening, try to buy at that particular levels. And support also, the 3450, it has touched almost 2 to 3 times. After that it has shown the retracement. So these particular levels are going to be very crucial in the coming sessions also. So today if it crosses the 3520 and if it closes above it, so then we can expect some rally in the coming days. Okay, so money flow index also you can see it has gone to oversold region. After that it has started retracing from that. So currently it is near 46 region, so that is also pretty good. So it may go further as well. Okay, so these are the basic details, updates regarding DIXON Tech. So further, if you are having any queries, you can message me in the comment section, and also you can join the Telegram, as well as you can message me in Instagram as well. So until then, take care. Bye bye.